What's up, y'all? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a vision board that will change your life. I got 3 tips for y'all. Number 1, have faith in your vision. You must have faith in order to succeed. You must know that this is going to manifest. Number 2, put a plan together to carry the vision forward. Because I know that, we have big dreams and big goals, but we have to take the steps in order to get those goals accomplished. And number 3, please make sure your vision board is big enough. You guys, I started this board in 2019. I finished this board on February the 6th of 2019. And let me show you. Vision board completed on February 6th, 2019 at 7:45 p.m. So I actually have the time that I finished this vision board. You want to make sure that you have a good size board so that everything will fit. You want to make sure that you have all of your pictures and clips and all of that cut out and ready, because it will take you a long time. Vision boards are, to me, they're pretty, they have to be really detailed, because like my friend Kimberly said, and shout out to Kimberly, you have to see it before you see it or you'll never see it. And that stuck with me. So that really motivated me to go ahead and do my vision board. This vision board is almost 3 years old. I can't believe it. But one thing I will say that I have learned about doing this vision board, things are not going to play out exactly how you planned it. We all know that. The good Lord has a plan. A lot of things on my vision board are things that I want to accomplish in this life. And I try to build upon that every single day. So what I'm going to do now is show you some close-ups of the board. All right. Now, when I say make sure your board is big enough, sometimes you may have one thing that you want to put on your vision board. So then that will just, call for like maybe a little, the little poster boards or whatever. But what I've been doing is I've been building on this board. So I started it in 2019. And then I added 2020 vision to it. And then I added 2021 manifestation. Now I have to add 2022 somewhere. And that's why I say make sure your vision board is big enough. Because sometimes you may want to just add something to your board. You might not want to do a new vision board each year, And I haven't done a new vision board every year. Like I have a really small one that I put some stuff on, and I'll show that one to y'all too, because it simply wouldn't fit. I want to go over to, let's go to this. Work at home. Ain't that something? And ironically, today I worked from home. But I wanted to cheer myself on this vision board. I'm my biggest cheerleader. So I do have a gift that let me fix that. I am really creative, and I like to just do things and have fun. I don't know how they got wet. I would like a studio kitchen, y'all. Don't mind it. One day, my ultimate dream, and I told the Lord this, what do you want? And I want my own cooking show, y'all. So please stay tuned, because I am working on that right now. And I saw this as a sign right here, because when I cut this out, it broke. Like it tore. So I'm like, okay, that's fine. because I'm not like, 100% sure about every single thing, but I would like to be. So I still put it up there anyway. I would like to be a brand ambassador for GoWise USA. So I put that on my vision board because my air fryer videos using the GoWise USA air fryer have been doing so well, you guys. Please check those videos out if you need some air fryer recipes. I want to learn Spanish so bad, and I can sing songs in Spanish. Like I don't know why I can learn music in Spanish, but for some reason I can't speak Spanish, but I want to learn it. I want to be bi-coastal. I want to have a house on the East Coast and a house on the West Coast. Or I don't know. I'm still working it out, but I just kind of put some things on here. You guys, my vision board is very, very detailed. Grace and mercy. Yes, indeed. I have to believe that all is well all the time. And I love to cook. So I have these beautiful pictures that I cut out of a magazine. I am the champion. I have that on there because I had planned to go compete on Food Network Star Season 15, but they canceled the show, I believe. So if they ever bring that back, I'm going on that show or somebody's show. I'm going to be prepared because I have on my vision board, we don't lose, we win. And I have to believe that. I will be stepping out on faith, okay? I'm really into my family, y'all. So we love to get together. We love to party. So this is a representation of my family and how we like to get together and have a good time and eat good and all of that. The more, the merrier. As some of you may know, I'm from Yazoo City, Mississippi, and I moved from Yazoo to Memphis. So that's where I've been. And, I put on here that I relocated. So yeah, and who knows where that may take me. Sometimes you have to go back and sit back and just think about what you want to do. I have this on here, subscribe now to reach your goals. I have a YouTube channel, and it used to be called Food and Fab, but now it's called Sasha Pierce TV. So things do change over time. Sometimes you think you know everything and you want this and you think you want that, but things happen and then you kind of, you evolve with it. You align yourself with it. All right, I want to get my skin together. Ooh, child, look at here. Natural delivery, no stitches. That did not happen. I still had to get stitches. We're not going to go into that one. But baby number 3 is healthy. I need to work out more. We're going to work on that. Your vision board should always reflect where you're going. Don't skimp on the vision. I had to put a picture of the sun here because I often like to sun gaze and things like that. So like I said, I won't go through my whole vision board, but what I will say, you guys, is you must believe in your vision. That's how you will make a vision board that will change your life. I promise you. Things have changed so much since I made this vision board. I get up some mornings and I just look at it and I pray over it and I meditate in front of this board. Like I literally sit in front of it. So no fear. Fear and faith cannot exist in the same place. So I had to make sure I put that on there. But this is how you make a vision board that will change your life. Dream big, y'all. Don't let nobody steer you from the vision and the dream. Keep going. Know that things may not be perfect, but you will get there. You will get there. Do the vision board that you know that you will be proud of, and that's about it, you guys. I want to thank y'all so much for watching this video, This video is long overdue. I had been planning to do this video sometime last year, but things just didn't work out. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see y'all on the next one.